Hello everyone, and this is Friday, and as you know, today is Geeta in Action series. And before I continue, let me introduce my two lovely ladies, that is Anna Goyal, who is the media marketing solutionist for Tour de Force. Anna, hi.
Hi.
And of course, my lovely mom sitting she's from Kolkata and she's sitting gracefully here. Mom, hi.
Hello, Shilpi.
And this Friday, we are going to do something very different. It's not the same sequence that we're going to follow, but we are going to talk about the 5 elements. Last time we had talked about the 5 elements and its bifurcation. Today we are going to focus on the earth element. All right, and let's see what these two lovely ladies have got for us, because whatever they're going to say is going to be some pearl of wisdom which each of us can carry. So, Mother, are you ready?
Yes, Shilpi.
I'm sharing. 1 second.
शरीर में जो 5 तत्व हैं, उसके विषय में बात कीजिए। उनमें से एक है पृथ्वी तत्व। ये तत्व हमारी बॉडी की फाउंडेशन है। पृथ्वी तत्व के 5 भाग हैं: बोन, फ्लैश, स्किन, पल्स एंड पोर्स। जब मनुष्य के ये भाग स्ट्रॉन्ग और क्लीन करने के लिए हम क्या करें? जब मनुष्य का शरीर स्ट्रॉन्ग, फ्लेक्सिबल और हेल्दी होता है, तब वो कोई भी चेंज एंड चैलेंज को आसानी से एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है। ये एक्सेप्टेंस उसके जीवन में उन्नति का मार्ग दिखाने में सक्षम है। साथ में मेंटली हेल्थ भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है। फिजिकल हेल्थ के साथ मेंटली भी वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाता है। स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर होने के लिए फिजिकली और मेंटली सब कुछ कर सकने में सहायक होता है। हाउ टू इम्प्रूव देम? देयर आर 3 मेन फैक्टर्स: डिटर्मिनेशन, फोकस एंड एफर्ट। पहले अपने गोल पर ध्यान दें कि हमको जिंदगी में क्या करना चाहिए। उन साधनों पर ध्यान दें जो हमारे गोल प्राप्ति में सहायक हैं। उनको प्राप्त करने के लिए सतत प्रयत्न करें। शारीरिक क्षमता बढ़ाने के लिए एक्सरसाइज, फूड हैबिट्स, मेडिटेशन, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग आदि का ध्यान दें। हमेशा सिट स्ट्रेट, बैकबोन को सीधा रखने से कॉस्मोस से जो एनर्जी हमारे कॉस्मोस से जो एनर्जी हमको मिलती है, वो बैकबोन में जाती है, जो हमारे एनर्जी सेंटर को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने में और एक्टिवेट करने में सहायक होती है। ये बहुत देर तक बैठने से ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन सारे अंगों में ठीक से प्रवाहित नहीं होता है। मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग होने के लिए कर्मों पर ध्यान देना जरूरी है। हमारे कार्य हमारी क्षमता के अनुकूल हो, कर्मों में ऑनेस्टी हो, किसी को धोखा देके, झूठ बोलकर और अपनी स्वार्थ सिद्धि के लिए कर्म ना करें। जो भी रिजल्ट आए उसे एक्सेप्ट करें। हमेशा ईश्वर पर विश्वास रखें, क्योंकि रिजल्ट हमेशा ईश्वर के अधीन होता है। ये श्रद्धा और विश्वास लाइफ में बहुत जरूरी है। इन सब तथ्यों का ध्यान रखने से हमारा अर्थ एलिमेंट स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है। Anna, translate it in English.
Thank you.
1 second, Anna. Can you just give me a moment, please?
Yeah, sure. we spoke about the 5 elements of the body last Friday. One of them is the earth element. It is the foundation of our body. There are 5 bifurcations of this element. They are bone, flesh, skin, pulse, and pores. Now we will go into the depth of this element and how it will help us improve and maintain the hygiene of these bifurcations. When a person's foundation is strong, flexible, and healthy, only then can he accept the challenges and changes positively and be strong. Whatever he wants to do will help him progress in life. Along with physical health, mental health should be strengthened. With mental strength comes willpower. It helps us achieve anything we want, physically and mentally. Now the question is, how to improve them? Well, the 3 main factors are determination, focus, and effort. First, determine your goals and what you want to achieve in life. Focus on the resources that will help us achieve the goals. Put consistent effort into achieving them. Now, to build your physical stamina, you should exercise, improve your food habits, meditate, and try to think of positive things. Always sit upright. The energy which we receive from the cosmos runs through the backbone, which strengthens and activates the energy center there. We should not sit in the same place for a really long duration, as the blood flow and the blood circulation in our body is not fine. Now for the mental strength, we should focus on our karmas. What is the purpose of our goal, and do we have the resources in achieving them? While performing our karmas, we should always be ethical. We should not lie, deceive anyone, and especially be greedy. Always be honest with yourself and others, and always try to accept the result. In this way, the result will be in God's hand and you won't be attached to it. Have faith and believe in God. And by keeping all these factors in mind, the element of earth in our body will become strong. Ma'am, can you please conclude this?
Right. Thank you so much, team. Thank you so much, Mother, for saying it in Hindi beautifully. And of course, Anna, you also shared it so impeccably throughout. Thank you. And what I feel is that with all that is happening nowadays, with pandemic, with our immune system really being questioned, this earth element has to be taken care with full force. All right. Keep yourself absolutely fit and strong. Not only to whatever the 2 ladies have shared, but also ensure that your breathing is in much more deeper state and you breathe in fresh air, all right, so that you can oxygenate every part of yourself and become more immune ready and be ready to fight the battle of corona. So thank you, ladies, for being with me, and thank you, audience, for being with us. Not only that, I would like you to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video in the network, because I'm sure someone or the other will really find some benefit in this video. All right. So thank you so much. I hope you've taken lots and lots of notes. And with this, let me request the 2 ladies. Can we see each other next Friday?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you for the lovely smile, and thank you. Bye-bye.